Okay, so with all the fields explained, we're now going to start putting the form together. So we're going to start with adding a section on here. These are, of course, to divide the form up and make it a bit more presentable in certain ways. So I'm just going to create a section, and let's call this user details. As we can see, not only do we have the name of what this section is going to be called, but we have a couple of additional items here. So we have a visible header. If we unselect this, it means it's going to be hidden. It's only going to be used in that sort of perspective then. You won't see it on the front end. It's purely from our admin perspective that we'll see this header, so we can see where the parts are divided. However, there are a couple of additional options here. First, we have our position. So at the moment in time, of course, as this is going to be our first field on the form, and the only option that we have is at the beginning. However, if we were to create this later down the line, as we'll see with the next section we create, we have the ability to select an alternative position and move it around the form a bit. We also have a style or /CSS here, allowing us to put some CSS within this field, allowing for a bit of visual fidelity, maybe changing the font or the color. A last item we have here is up at the second tab, we have our description. This is something that we can utilize, and it will basically be taking a label and adding it to the section header here. Now this can just give us a bit more additional context of maybe what this section is about, what we're expecting to be filled out here. But we can see, I'm just going to type something now. There we go. If I hit now save, that's going to be our section header. And on the right hand side, we can see that this label or this description has been implemented. This is utilizing the same feature as a label would. So I'm going to get rid of the description for now though. Hit save again. We can see that's been removed, and we have the full width of the form area now to add any fields that we would like.